Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
CompTIA 601. Lesson 06, Governance, Risk, and Compliance. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of governance, risk management, and compliance, GRC, in ensuring the security and integrity of an organization's systems and data. 1. Governance. Definition: governance refers to the framework, policies, and processes that guide and control an organization's information security practices. Objectives: ensure that information security aligns with business objectives, complies with laws and regulations, and manages risks effectively. Components: governance frameworks such as COBIT, ITL, and NIST provide guidelines for establishing and maintaining effective governance practices. 2. Risk management. Definition: risk management involves identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks to an organization's information assets and implementing controls to mitigate those risks. Risk assessment: identifying and analyzing risks to determine their likelihood and potential impact on the organization. Risk mitigation: implementing controls and measures to reduce the likelihood or impact of identified risks. Risk monitoring: continuously monitoring and reviewing risks to ensure that mitigation measures remain effective. 3. Compliance. Definition: compliance refers to adhering to laws, regulations, and standards relevant to an organization's industry and location. Regulatory compliance: ensuring that information security practices comply with relevant laws and regulations, such as GDPR, HIPAA, or PCI DSS. Standards compliance: adhering to industry standards and best practices, such as ISO 27001, to ensure the security and integrity of information assets. 4. GRC frameworks. Frameworks such as COSO, COBIT, and ISO 27001 provide guidelines and best practices for implementing effective GRC processes. These frameworks help organizations establish a structured approach to governance, risk management, and compliance, ensuring that information security practices are aligned with business objectives and regulatory requirements. 5. Benefits of GRC. Improved security. Effective GRC practices help organizations identify and mitigate risks to their information assets, enhancing overall security. Compliance. GRC frameworks help organizations ensure that they comply with relevant laws, regulations, and standards, reducing the risk of legal and financial penalties. Business continuity. By managing risks effectively, organizations can minimize the impact of security incidents and ensure the continuity of their business operations. By implementing effective GRC practices, organizations can enhance their security posture, comply with relevant laws and regulations, and ensure the integrity and availability of their information assets.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.